All right, guys, we're back to talk about day 7, Tuesday, which is today. Um, Again, same packet setup. If you want to look at the pictures for these, which I think would be really awesome for you to do, go to ReadWorks and type in the title of the passage that you're reading, and it will pop up. Even if it's not the same level of the one that we're reading, they're all really similar. The words are just a little bit different, and you can look at the pictures that go along with them, because I know it's really hard for them to get colored copies or really good copies when they're making 106 packets for us. So if you want to check out the pictures, go to ReadWorks, type in the title, check out the pictures. Very cool. All right, so you have your first reading for today. Like I said, feel free to do these packets, guys, in any order that you want to. It's your choice, okay? You get a little freedom here. It's called Warm-Blooded and Cold-Blooded Animals, so that'll be really cool. Trying to tie in some science for you. So read through the passage, all right? And then you have 5 little quick short answers. Don't write too much. Don't go over the amount of lines that you have, guys. Just write a good, complete sentence answer, and I'm totally cool with that, all right? That's good. That's good. All right, answer what it says. Find the evidence in the text. Write the main idea, all right? Question 5 is a really good, tough question today. It says, contrast warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals using evidence from the text. Contrast. The word contrast means how are, and I know that you guys know this, how are they different? All right? Contrast. Sorry, that's not written really good. Equals different. How are they different? All right. If it says compare, that's going to be the same. Today you're looking at how warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals are different. All right. So focus on that. So that is your reading passage for today. Then you have your summary. If you're following along with Dinosaurs After Dark, I'll be reading chapter 7 in just a few minutes and posting it as well. So you'll have that. You can use it for this, or you can use any book of your choice that you're reading. All right, then we go into our mystery passage. All right, the missing flowers, comprehension questions again, plus vocabulary today. Love it. All right, and then making a prediction. So what do you think what do you think Auntie Amy will do next? Remember, there's no right or wrong really, as long as you're using the same characters and the story's going somewhere that makes sense. All right? Make sure, I tell you guys this all the time, as long as it makes sense, it's okay. Just make sure that it makes sense and goes along with the story that you've already read. All right? Then we have cursive, L and M. The next 10 days, we're going to finish up these pages that look like this, and then I have some nursery rhyme cursive writing for you, which I think you'll enjoy a whole lot. So that'll be in the next set of packets. All right, today is a super fun math project. The dog's crying. I think he's having a dream. All right, so this is Mark Becomes a Teacher, and you solve the multiplication problems to fill in the numbers for the story, and then once you get them all filled in, then go through and read the whole story. I'm sure it's hilarious, and maybe even tomorrow I'll fill it out and read it to you guys, so that would be fun. All right, and then you had some of these last week. Solve the problem. So like 2 times 11 is 22, so everywhere you see a 22, you're going to write the letter A in the box or on the line. All right, so solve them. Put the numbers that go with the correct letters. And then, just like before, you have your good old review sheet. All right, time, graphing, patterns, subtract 9. It tells you exactly what to do there. All right, rounding to the nearest 100. All right, 5 or higher, you round up. 4 or below, you round down, or it stays the same essentially. And you're going to be looking at the number in the tens place to tell you what to do for that hundreds, okay? So you got your review, then you have the little assessment part on the back. You're going to have more of these also. I've just found that these really cover everything that we've talked about this year, and I think they're really good for you all to do. They're quick, they're simple. If it takes you a little bit of time, no biggie. Take a break, go back to it, You got all day to work on this stuff, guys. All right? So we have those, and then you have an application problem. This is your first application problem this week. All right, and it says, Chloe's dad partitions. Ooh, big fancy word. And hopefully you remember what this word means. And if you've already said it to yourself, good for you. Give yourself a pat on the back because that makes me super happy. The word partition has the word part. The root word of the word partition is the word part. And part means to break apart, or to partition means to split up or break apart. All right, so if you partition it, take it and break it up into equal parts, please. Equal, because I'm sure this is going to have to do with fractions since it's talking about the word partition. All right, so equal parts. Break it apart into equal parts. His garden into 4 equal size sections to plant tomatoes, squash, peppers, and cucumbers. How many things are we planting here, guys? 4. What fraction of the garden is available for growing just tomatoes? All right. This one will require you to read, draw, and write. So make sure you do all 3 of those. And then you're done. Easy peasy. Draw you a nice little picture there. You can even color it. Make it more fun if you want to. All right. So if you have any questions about day 7, feel free to call, text, message me on Dojo or Google Classroom. Don't forget, guys, you took your Clever badges home, so you can be doing extra work, your Zern work, Zern, Freckle, what's the other one we use, typing. I mean, any of those websites that we use in the classroom, you can get on. And if you've lost your Clever badge and need your login information, send me a message and I will get it for you, okay? I think it's so important that you all work on this stuff. So I have it for you if you need it. Miss you. See you tomorrow.